doing a tutorial of these super cute boho locks. Keep on watching. So these are the 18-inch goddess locks in the color 1B3027. Absolutely love these locks in the color Chef's Kiss. Let me give you a 360 and then we'll get into the details. Oh, this hair was sent to me from an Amazon seller. I will link all the information in the description box, so make sure you check it out. Absolutely obsessed. So let me show you what the hair looks like. So it came in this package and 8 packs come in here. I still have 3 packs left, so I used 5 packs. And this is what the lock looks like. So it does come pre-looped. Comes with a little boho curl on the side. This color is absolutely amazing. So I did use the crochet method for these locks, and so I wrap the top portion using just a small piece of, I think this is like spring twist hair or like bohemian twist hair, something like that. And that's what I use to wrap the top. So let's get right into this. With these locks, the length, the color, absolutely loving it. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. This is my birthday hair. Today is my birthday. I turned 45 today. Not feeling 45 in the least bit, but I am 45 today, so happy birthday to me. And yeah, this is the birthday hair. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.